social media is a blessing for the society today, it is also a burden for most of the parents. To discuss this, we have Nitika Didi with us today. Hello Nitika Didi.
Hello Shri.
Hello friend. So Didi, tell us what is the ideal use of social media?
Social media should be used for gathering information, for the social interaction, to stay in touch with our family and friends, and to access to news. Fortunately, people become addicted to it.
So how can we avoid this addiction?
To avoid this, schedule a fixed time when to use your phone. Like you are studying for 2 hours, then use your phone for half an hour or for 40 minutes to 1 hour. Personally, what I do is when I come back from my school, I use my phone for half an hour. After that, only at evening I use my phone. When you use your phone for the class or for studying, or do only study. Don't watch any other videos or don't use any other social media. If you are a parent, then make sure you have a strict monitoring.
Friends, hope this session has been helpful to you. Thank you Nitika Didi. And friends, please tell us your feedback in the comments below.